Do you need a phone for your kid or kids, but you're worried about the apps and the social media that may be useful and fun, but can also be unsafe and unsuitable for them? Are you looking for a smartphone with a good camera and a long battery life for your online activities? Would you like to have a budget-friendly and it's a voice over LTE ready smartphone? If you do, I know a phone just for you. Do you want to know more about it? Stay tuned. Hi, thank you for watching. I hope you're doing great. Today, we will unbox and review the Samsung Galaxy M12. We hope this video will help you if you're looking for a smartphone that will suit all your communication or online needs and in your budget. I'm Val and this is the third unboxing and review video series of my Metro lifestyle. If you missed the first video about JBL Go3 and Logitech C922, you may click the video link from the description box below. If you have not subscribed yet, just click subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can always update you with our future unboxing and review uploads. Smartphone is a mobile device that can perform different functions similar to a desktop or a laptop computer. Since 1994, when IBM made Siemens available in the market, the urge for a smartphone to be part of the average person's life gradually increases. And it blew everybody's mind when Steve Jobs gave us the first look of iPhone in the Macworld 2007. Nowadays, a typical smartphone has a touchscreen interface, internet access, an operating system capable of running downloaded applications like
Do it! Just do it!
online shopping apps, high-definition camera, long battery life, and a video conferencing tool. Sadly, a good smartphone from a known brand may cost you 10 to 20,000 pesos. Fortunately, Samsung Galaxy M12 is now available. It was launched last June 6, 2021 in the Philippines and its budget-friendly official price is 7,490 pesos only. Let us now unbox our new Samsung Galaxy M12 and see what's inside. Once you open the box and remove the Samsung Documents packet, you will see the phone right away. The Samsung Galaxy M12 includes one charger head, one C-type cable for fast data transfer and charging, an earphone with microphone and a 3.5 jack, the quick start guide and warranty card, and a SIM card release pin. Now that we know all the items included, let us now power on the phone so we can try it. The Samsung Galaxy M12 has a 6.5-inch HD display running on Android 11, and it's a voice over LTE ready for faster internet connection. The phone has a 4GB RAM with a 64GB internal mass storage, but the available memory is 48.4GB due to its operating system and other built-in apps. In case you need a bigger storage or memory, this phone has an external memory support using a microSD up to 1TB. Samsung Galaxy M12 has a 48MP rear quad cam and a single 8MP front cam for amazing selfie. For those who are in photography, Samsung Galaxy M12 has a focal stop of 2.0 to 2.4. Focal stop or f-stop is the aperture or the opening of the camera lens which allows light to come in. Focal stop also determines how much is in focus in front or your subject, which is the foreground, or behind it, which is the background. The lower the focal stop number, the more light the lens can let in. More light means the camera can take pictures in darker conditions. The rear and front cam of Samsung Galaxy M12 has an autofocus. However, it does not have the OIS, which means that the clarity and sharpness of your photos may be not that impressive in low light. The zoom up to 10 times and flash is only available on the rear camera. The video recording resolution is on full high definition, 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. The Samsung Galaxy M12 has a built-in 6000 mAh battery capacity. The internet usage time on LTE or Wi-Fi on this phone is up to 20 hours. The audio playback is up to 92 hours while the video playback is up to 19 hours. For the talk time on this phone, you will get 49 hours battery usage. Though Samsung Galaxy M12 is not yet on DITO telecommunication compatible smartphone list, this phone works with a DITO service. Unfortunately, it's heavier than other smartphones. But here's the best part. If you don't want your children to use smartphone too much or coming across something they shouldn't see from their phone, Samsung Galaxy M12 has a parental control feature that you may set up. Using parental control, your kids are protected from apps and social media that may be fun and useful but can also be dangerous for them. Which means no distracting apps can get in the way of their schoolwork or other important activities. comment down below what you think about this Samsung Galaxy M12 video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can always update you with our future unboxing and review videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.